Hello guys, so in this video we are going to learn about Django Signals. We will be following this tutorial which is on my website studygyan.com. Links in description. So what are Django Signals? We can think Django Signals as triggers which invoke a piece of code at certain event. There are different types of Django Signals which Django provides like pre-save, post-save and many more. So where we can use Django signals? Let's take an example. We have created a user profile. Now we need to check the username if it is already exist in the system. So we can use this using Django signals. We can trigger a piece of code which checks inside the model like if this username is already exist. If it is exist, then give an error or message, otherwise create the account. Before heading up, we should take an overview of our Django project. So we have created a Django Signals project, and in that we have all main files. We have also created a Django app named product, and we have registered it in our installed apps. In models.py we have created one model product, and in that we have given name and description as field. We have also registered our model in admin site. Okay, so we have created a super user and entered in Django administration, and this is our model which is looking in Django admin. So let's get started by taking simple Django signal example. So in this example we are using post save method. This is the built-in method which is triggered after the save method of model. So what we are doing in this example, we are importing signal and receiver module, and then we are using this receiver decorator, and we are telling that this signal is post save signal and the sender is product model. So in this we have created a method which is printing save method is called. Let's take another example of pre-save. In this example we have done something different, like if the description is not given a value, then it will add the default description. So let's paste this code in the models.py and see the example. Okay, so we have pasted this code in models.py of app product. So we'll run this example. So if you go to the products app and let's add a product. Okay, we are giving a product as chocolate. Okay, and we'll save it. Now if you see the terminal, here save method is called. Okay, and if you go to the chocolate object, you will see the description as tasty. Now what we'll do, we'll add another product. Okay, and in this example we are not giving the description, and we'll save it. And if you go to the veggie object, you will see the default description. This is the default description. Okay, so this is the instance. So what we are doing, we are taking the saving method instance and we are changing the description of it. Now this comes in picture. Where should Django Signals handler live in code? Where should we put it? So according to the Django community, we should create a signals.py file, and inside that we have to save all our signals. So we'll do it So I have given the example how to do it here. Okay. So before heading up, we should copy this and comment this. Okay. Now we'll create a signal.py and inside that we'll paste the code and save here. Now we have to do some configurations, like we need to tell the project that this signal file is existing and we should load it from here. So in product apps.py we should import this module and we should load these signals in ready method. So in our apps we have already added the code and we have just commented it. So we'll uncomment it and save. Okay. Now one more we have to do in init, we have to give this. Let's say you are having a app name different, so you need to change this as well as in this you have to change. Save, and now we'll run the code. Let's see in terminal, is everything working? Okay, we are getting an error in signals.py where we have not loaded the product module. So we'll import it and save. Now we'll see the terminal, and here everything is working fine. So we'll go to the product. So for better understanding, we'll add signals fruit. Okay, and we'll save it. And if you see the terminal, you will see save method is called, and in this the default description is this is default description signals.py. We have explained lots of built-in signals where these signals are model signals which invokes before and after the model events, and this one is the request response HTTP request signals. If you want to download this project, you can download it from GitHub. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, give a like, share this video and support me by sharing or commenting, which will motivate me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.